Hello, bookworms. Happy New Year. Welcome to another Read Aloud. And as you know, we always have a theme for each week. And our theme for this week is about birds. The title of our interesting story today is Why Birds Sing at Dawn by Zanele Dlamini and illustrated by Emmanuel Grebo. As you can see in this first picture, we have a yellow bird singing and a smaller bird carrying a suitcase. I wonder what this story is about. Let's find out. A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Blah, blah, blah. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called Mamango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. So when there's drought, there's no water. And as you know, when there's no water, things can't grow. Mamango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go? I will go. I am not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? What if we sing Mama's song? Yellow asked. Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Have you tried singing? Mamango asked. I've tried singing, said Yellow. I can teach you. Early the next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song, and rain started falling. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Bird found her way back to Happy Land. From then on, birds sang at dawn. The end. Thank you, bookworms, for listening to this interesting story. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.